Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch on Monday, January 16, 2023 on our planet. Time for a brief daily brief. I'm not going to be covering a whole lot. I'm only going to be sticking to this region here. So let's remember yesterday's 4.4 earthquake, however very deep at 750 kilometers off the coast of New Zealand. Now, because of the depth, we still have to a couple of days before anything, if anything, is going to happen. So we'll be on watch for the west coast of New Zealand, east coast of Australia. And speaking of Australia, the only thing additional is the uptick of some earthquakes. Now, once again, these are just showing up on today's feed, although this one, for example, is 2 days old. This one's recent. 3.2 shallow at 10 kilometers deep. So I'm not sure if we have an upheave, a push from a mantle plume. We'll find out in the next 48 hours from the 750 kilometer deep earthquake, which is 100 kilometers below the mantle transition zone. I'll do a separate video on that later explaining that. Now, NASA is still not showing any heat detections or heat anomalies. The only one in the entire planet right now is Kilauea, Hawaii. And this is incomplete. So again, I find this highly suspicious that all of this started with Java, Indonesia. When we had an uptick in volcanic activity, Semeru, Rinjani, Tambora lighting up, 2 earthquakes working their way into Jakarta, the spread of heat detections on the floor of the Java Sea. And this is where they started discontinuing the feed. And now it's pretty much global. There is no notification. They'll usually put up a notification if there's any system errors. And again, nothing. I have stated some time ago, probably on another site, that when they start doing this, when they start denying public access to this satellite imagery, then we need to start being concerned. Having said all this, I'm going to be starting to be a little bit cryptic in my messaging. Excuse me. And I'm going to be working on another platform on Rumble, which is a more secure platform. When I have that up and running, I will let you folks know. That's it for now.